okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Now it's recording. It goes from red to orange. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, we're all buckled in. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all good. Let's see if I can. It's recording now. Cool. Let's all say Merry Christmas and see if I can download the video away. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Merry Christmas, BlackVue!
BlackVue!
2024! Yay!
Woo!
Jesus is the reason for the season. Thank you, God, for sending your son, Jesus, to be born.